India is a cultural country. Here everyone gives importance to have family and to get married earlier or to have children earlier. This makes pressure on young minds as maybe they are not ready to take the pressure mentally as well as physically. And maybe it is destroying the health of young generation. And sexual act cause many health consequences. And it may cause transfer of many diseases like HIV and some of the bacterial diseases, gonorrhea and syphills. To save young generation from various diseases and such health consequences, biologists invented some of the solutions such as condom, copper tea, and some of the contraceptive pills by changing hormones of the body by chemically, due to which fertilization will not occur. As these contraceptive devices and contraceptive pills may cause many side effects. One of the contraceptive devices is copper tea, which is placed in the reproductive tract of the female. It avoids the entry of sperm into the female reproductive system, because of which fertilization will not occur. Another way of preventing pregnancy is by blocking the vasodifference in male, which prevent the transfer of sperm, and in female by blocking the fallopian tube. In both the cases, fertilization will not take place. Surgical methods can be used to create such blocks, and surgical methods also cause problems if not performed properly. Another way of avoiding early pregnancy is by surgical removal of fetus, and this method is misutilized by many people, which leads to decline in the girl-child ratio. Another way of preventing pregnancy is a natural method, which is known as calendar method. As we know that ovulation occurs on 14th day of menstruation, and ova will be remain in the uterus of the female for 24 hours, waiting for the sperm. If sperm not enters the uterus, there will be no fertilization. If no fertilization, ova blasts itself and get mixes with the menstruation fluid present in the female reproductive system. If you consider these days in the calendar, suppose female got menstruation at day 1, from 1 to 7 days the period will run. From day 7 to day 13, it is safe for the female to perform sexual act. But on day 14, ovulation will occur. That's why 14, 15, 16 are generally considered as unsafety days. Because of female perform sexual act in these days, there are maximum chances to get conceived, because ova is waiting for the sperm in female reproductive system. So here this act is avoided on 14, 15, 16th to not to get conceived. From 17th to till 30th day, again it is safe to perform the sexual act, which does not lead to pregnancy as ova get blasted.